Hello friends, welcome to learn Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to learn a very interesting function VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is mostly useful for searching data. Okay, let us start it. First, let us copy this and paste here. Okay, now we want to search value according to the employee code. If we put here some employee code, then it will display the name, department, basic salary. Okay, let us start for first name. Okay, then how to check it? For this, go to write equal to, then go to VLOOKUP. The first parameter is lookup value. Which value we want to look up? The value in this cell. Now there is no value. Okay. Then the table array. Our table array is this one. We want to search value from this table. Okay. Column index. We want to search name. Therefore, column start from 1. The column index of this name is 2. Therefore, here write 2. And then the next is approximately match or exact match. You can set if your value is exact. For example, here we have employee code. This value is always exact, that is 104102. Then you can use exact match, or you can be use approximately match if your value is in decimal point, that is 0.01, 0.05, like this. Okay, now we can set exact match false. Okay, close this and press enter. Now here value is not available because here we don't have any code. Now let us put here code. Suppose we write here 109, press enter. Now the 109 is jump. Okay, suppose we enter here 103, enter. Let us check 103 is Tony. Therefore, let us now create for department. But always remember one thing: whenever you want to apply VLOOKUP, then whenever you select the range, then your lookup value should be in the first column of your range. Okay, through which you want to search the data, that value is always in first column of your row, your table. Now again set VLOOKUP. Now the lookup value is again the same. The table array is also same. Okay, now the column indexes of department 1, 2 and 3. Therefore write here 3. Okay, and you can set here exact match tab, or you can also set here 0. Okay, now the department of Tony is marketing. Let us remove this value. Suppose 2 computer. Okay, like this you can also set here for basic salary. Again apply VLOOKUP. Now again the same way, select the range, comma, column index is now 1, 2, 3, 4, and we want exact match. Therefore you can also write here 0, enter. Okay, like this you can search your data from the hook data records. Suppose 108, here is 108, Sam purchase. Now suppose here we have, let us sort this. Sort by employee code. Okay, here is we have data 10123 till the 10. But suppose here by mistake we put like this employee number is not present, then what happen? Here is the error in it, that is not found or not available. Then it is not a good impression to display like this error. Then let us remove this error. For remove this error, You have to only apply here if error function, if error. Okay, if it is true, then it will search VLOOKUP, comma, if this one is the value, and if error, this value, then if error, it will, why don't it highlight this one again? Go to if error, right? It is if error. Here is the bracket of VLOOKUP. Oh, we have to close one more bracket. Yeah, write this. Then there is if error. You can write here not found or record not found. Now suppose here I write 111 not found. Like this you can apply to all your data. Okay, it is very simple concept to how to look value or how to search value within the data. In next lecture we will again continue with VLOOKUP. Thank you for watching the lecture.